Hi everyone, welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orsi, aka Rocky. I'm the founder and head teacher of Phoenix Vocal Studio. I'm also a certified mindset and vocal coach, which means as a mindset and vocal coach, I do not work only the physiology of your voice, but the effect of singing on your mind, soul, and on your body. So my approach is quite holistic, which means I look at the whole picture when you come to me. So if you're interested in singing lessons, you can find the link below the video, phoenixvocalstudio.com. Or if you are someone who has no chance to take 1.o.1 lessons for any reasons, you can also join our membership site, which is called Phoenix. Phoenix is basically an online voice development platform for singers and singers-to-be. But if you want to know more information about the lessons or the membership site, you can find both links below the video. We're going to continue Singing Lesson 101 video series, and today I'm going to talk about some common questions and mistakes that I see and receive from students and from other singers as well. So, one of the most common questions, like how long does it take to learn to sing, or how many lessons should I take? I'm going to tell you that this is a very annoying question. Because this is something that we cannot guarantee that, okay, I'm going to give you 6 lessons or 12 lessons or whatever, how many lessons, and you're going to learn to sing, because everyone is an individual. It's not like chemistry or math, that this is the subject, you learn it and you will know it. No, everyone has their different tempo of pick up, certain things, tempo of learning, tempo of studying, tempo of practicing, different goals, different skills. So it's actually, it's not possible to tell. I always tell, if someone is completely beginner, I always tell, give yourself at least a year. Yes, a year. And this is not something that you should think in the meantime when you are actually taking the lessons, because you're just gonna get frustrated. I'm still not there. I'm still not there. I'm still not there. You should focus on the task right in front of you. Make sure you find a good teacher. How to do that? Well, just check them. If you like them, if they can actually do what you're looking for, and book maybe a consultation. Hopefully that doesn't, they don't charge anything for consultation. I don't, obviously, why would I do that? And you're gonna have a chat, and you will feel that, okay, this is the person I want to learn from. Chemistry between you, the two of you. You need that. So obviously that's the first thing, to find a good teacher and follow the instructions. Take time, practice it, and that's the other question, like how many times, how often they should practice. Obviously the best is if you can do daily. When I was studying singing, I've never ever asked my teacher, like, how many times do I have to practice, or how long does it take to learn to this, because I loved singing, and I didn't think of the practicing as a practice, as a necessary bad thing, or bad thing. I just wanted to sing. And obviously, yes, these skills and exercises are not the most fun thing to do. It's better to sing the songs, but you need those. Just try to think of, like, this is just half an hour a day, half an hour of exercises, and then I can sing. That try to look the goal, your dream, whatever you do for the singing. I loved singing and I couldn't wait to sing. No one had to tell me that practice it. I wanted to practice because I wanted to improve. I couldn't wait. So think about it. If you want to become a singer, if you want to sing, and if you want to take lessons, think about it. That whether you do this for passion, or because you do it by pushing, like someone is pushing you, or some pressure behind you. Ask yourself this question, like, why do I want to sing? Because if this is your passion, you wouldn't ask this question, like, okay, how many times do I have to practice? For God's sake, do you love singing? Then sing. You don't need my permission to sing. I can tell you that, daily practice, like, I don't know, at least 30 minutes or maybe an hour and a half. If your voice can do more, then do it. Then sing. You don't need my permission to do it. Sing. That's the question. That's the answer. Okay. Question like, how can I sing louder? Well, the loudest, yes. So the thing is that people think that the loudness or the volume comes with the push or the physical push. That's completely wrong. No. You don't need that. No, the physical push just gonna make you tired. The volume and the power comes with the projection. It comes from the projection. Projection means like basically you need to project the sound into the right place, which becomes powerful and loud. It's not no physical push, nothing like that, nothing to do. That's obviously it's a technical thing, so I could explain more, but not sure that you would understand what it means. Try to think like that the projection is the law of the least effort. When you force something in life as well, usually you are just gonna get further. But if you just, lay back and you just imagine, you just think about it, you just imagine, you already feel in the body and you're excited. That's how you get closer to what you want, to your dream, to your goal. That's the same thing with projection. You just need to know your cavities. You need to know where to project the sound. It's an acoustic thing. There is a point inside the mouth which if you put the sound, and you release it, that's when it becomes loud and powerful. And it's a constant placement where you need to be. And that's how you're gonna get loud and powerful. It's nothing to do with physical push or pressure or whatever. Does belting ruin my voice? Absolutely not. Only if you do it wrong. Yes, belting, again, the key for belting is projection, just what I said. Belting is the extension of the chest voice, or it's a very loud and powerful way of singing, but it's not shouting. If you shout, that means you are using your voice too much. You are overusing the voice, or you might use the throat, and that's when the problem happens. That's when you can ruin your voice, or you can hurt your voice. But if you do belting correctly, and you're using the projection, the technique of projection, you're not gonna hurt your voice, no. And the same thing, does distortion ruin my voice? If you do it wrong, it will. No, the distortion can be done correctly by using false chord or you're using the right technique. So if you're using your true vocal cords, we have true vocal cords and we have false vocal cords. The true vocal cord is the one that we use for speaking and singing, and if you use that for distortion, that's when you're gonna ruin your voice. Yes, if you learn how to use your false chord, then you can use your distortion correctly, and no, you're not gonna lose your voice, not gonna ruin your voice. However, distortion naturally dries the vocal cords, so you need to make sure that you hydrate your voice. But in general, no. If you know how to do it, not gonna ruin your voice. Okay. These are the main things, mistakes or questions that I usually get. If you have more questions, feel free to post below the video, or you can also book a consultation absolutely free of charge. Find the link below the videos. You can find also more information in our membership site. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!